Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Runaway Bay in St. Anne, Jamaica. Now Runaway Bay is one of the areas, or it's an area that's located between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. It's located right next to Richmond and Draxall. And it has a lot of developments. Hotels are being built here. So we're just going to drive around and show you some of the developments. This is a development on the right where you see the zinc fence. I'm not sure if it's a hotel or residential units, but this side of the road is where you have the beach. If we were to continue going straight, that is the beach. So this side has a lot of developments. Now the north coast is booming with activities, I should say. Draxall is practically sold out. If you don't own the land already, you're not going to get any land there to develop. Thousands of homes being built in Draxall. Thousands more slated to be built. Then when you Miami Bay, totally built out. The last piece of real estate there is being developed by China Harbor Engineering Company. They are building, I think it's 700 residential units. There is no more land in Miami Bay for major development. You might get like a quarter acre, something like that, but nothing like what you see out here in Runaway Bay. Now this is a different development, separate from the one that where you saw the zinc, and you see they're clearing the land. They're going to build over here. So Richmond, totally developed. Richmond Estate, hundreds of acres developed there. So as you come down the coast, the next major town is Runaway Bay. And that is where you're seeing all of this development taking place. This place is going to be so busy that road you're looking at straight ahead, that's the Northern Coastal Highway. They're actually going to build a bypass for Runaway Bay because there's just too much traffic passing through the town and the road just cannot accommodate all the cars. So they're building a bypass from Discovery Bay all the way back to Runaway Bay. So in about 5 years, this entire stretch of land that we're looking at is going to be developed, between 5 to 10 years. Now the beach on this side of the island, the north coast, is one of the nicest stretches of beach you're going to find in Jamaica. So over here is another development. They're clearing the land to develop over here. So the two other major tourist areas in Jamaica, you have Montego Bay and you have Ocho Rios. Now to get from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, you have to pass through Runaway Bay. So the entire stretch from Montego Bay to to Ocho Rios, it's a lot of developments going on, a lot of hotels going up. And we don't mean small 50-room hotels. You have 1,000-room hotels going up. Those kind of developments. Billions of US dollars being spent on the north coast. Straight ahead you can see a tractor. They're going to be clearing another section of land. As we said, this entire area that we're driving on now is going to be developed. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.